Here is the temperature control. Zone 1, Zone 2, and Zone 12. This is spare. And this is the heating area. And the main inverter is Delta. And the SSR is a Swiss brand. Here is the foaming roller, rubber roller, and the pudding roller. One side, two sides, three sides. Total three sides. You can check. 1, 2, 3. This is the dead head. Here is a separate for the control. Here, control the cylinder. Control the cylinder. For example, you can, here is open. Here is closed. You can see it's running. See the bubble. Then return back the screw and clean the die head. Clean the die head. You can see. Clean the die head. You can check, this is a 10 millimeter. Every bubble is good.